Hello 7¼ members, this is the Thompson Park Railway and we're just about to show you our latest addition to our shed complex. This is the coach shed that's been made by two of our members, and what happens is we can put 4 coaches into the bottom and 4 coaches into the top. So we're now going to show you exactly what happens with this new extension. Okay. Put the ramp down for the top bay, and then the 4 coaches can be brought in. Right, David is now going to lift the coaches up into the top section. Then we've got room for another 4 coaches to go into the bottom.